Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add products to Shopify. At your Shopify dashboard, click on products from the options at the left, and you might have products listed already, but if you want to add a new product, click on add product at the top right, and you can then add a title in here. And for the description, you can paste it in here, or you can also use the AI feature by clicking on this generate text button. And you can add in features and keywords. And you can also change the tone in here if you want it to sound expert or the other tones in here. After that, just click on generate. And if you like the description that is generated, just click on keep in here. Or if you want to generate again, just click on that. And the next part is to add your media. So you can upload images, videos, or 3D models. I'm just going to drag and drop some images of the product, and I added 2 images for this product. And for the category, you can also change it in here. And for the pricing, you can set it. And for the compare price, this is to display a markdown, so you can enter a value higher than your price. So this will often show with a strike through. So basically, this price discounted to 300 and like that. And you can also note a cost per item, and customers won't see this, so this is just basically a note for yourself. Next is the inventory. You can check the track quantity, and you can also add in the number of stocks in here, for example, 100 stocks. And it is not recommended to continue selling when out of stock if you're not the supplier itself. For the shipping, you can check if it is a physical product, and for the weight, you should be accurate on this. So for example, for a shirt, I'll set it to 0.2 kilograms. And again, it should be accurate because this will help in accurately calculating the shipping fee as well. Now for the variants, if you have variants, you can click on this one. I'm going to add in a color since I have 2 colors of the shirt, and Shopify also detected it automatically based on the images that I uploaded. I will also add another option for the size since it is a shirt, and this is recommended for clothing products. So I'm just going to check these sizes and click on done at the bottom. Now for each variant, you will then need to upload a specific image or select an image from the ones that you uploaded before. So just click on the plus icon, and I'm going to select this one for the beige color. I meant black, so let's change that up. And for the beige, this one. And you can also change the price if you have varying prices based on your variants. And these are the category meta fields. You can review these if everything looks good. And for the search engine listing, this is for search engine optimization. And let's scroll back up and make sure that the status at the right says active. And you can also set up the product organization, type, vendor, collections, and the tags. And also if you plan to have many products on your shop, make sure to accurately add tags to help in tracking your products. And after you have set everything up, just click on save at the top, and we can then click on preview at the top as well to preview how the product looks on our page. So it looks like this, and if we change the variant, it should automatically change the picture as well. And that is how you can basically add products to Shopify. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.